So we are here at the GMP lab at UC San Diego. GMP stands for Good Manufacturing Practice, which is a set of standards that the FDA regulates for devices that go into our body. In this lab, we meet these regulations. It contains multiple clean rooms that allow us to have an extremely clean environment to make micro-scale devices. And with the cutting-edge equipment that we have inside, we can prototype devices over large areas, and that allow us to make the number of devices needed for tests to go toward FDA approvals and ultimately toward clinical adoption. Some of these devices are used in the brain in neurosurgical treatment cases for brain tumors and epilepsy. Some of it go into longer-term monitoring for epilepsy in epilepsy monitoring unit. Some others go even as neuromodulation long-term implants in the body, and that's for treatments of diseases like Parkinson's disease, tremor, and even responsive neurostimulation systems for epilepsy. In addition, we have programs that are funded by NIH and ARPA-H in order to repair damage in the optic nerve and to serve the ultimate goal of having a human full eye transplant. We make devices that wrap around the nerve in order to guide axons from a donor eye to the brain of the recipient. We also make devices that help in the treatment of the spinal cord, particularly for spinal cord injury and for the treatment of chronic pain. In this laboratory, we're able to take innovations throughout the whole UC San Diego ecosystem, from engineering to medical sciences to neurosciences, and put it all together and get our prototypes toward the large animal testing and the clinical trials for FDA approvals.